Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So today is day number 3, look number 3 in Diwali series guys. I hope you all like it. So I've done a nice full on glam look. The eyeshadow look that I've gone for is a nice purple pinky bluish color. I hope you all like it. So please do subscribe and also click on the bell button so that you'll get notified every single time I post a new video. So let's begin the video. For lip balm, I'm going to be using the Laneige Special Care Lip Sleeping Mask in the variant Berry. So this is a really nice moisturizing lip balm guys. It's very thick. It's actually like a lip mask, but it works as a lip balm also. So I really like the consistency. It's very thick and glossy. So I'm going to be applying that because I want a nice moisture in my lips. After lip balm, to moisturize my face, I'm going to be using Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer. I'm going to be applying it all over my face. I'm going to give a nice massage as usual. For primer guys, I'm going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I got this for free guys from Nykaa. So I'm going to be testing this out. I've really heard some good reviews about this. So I'm going to check if this really does cover the pores. So guys, actually this does cover your pores little bit. So I'm just going to press the product inside inside the area where I have pores and on my nose like so. So for foundation, I'm going to be using my favorite Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I'm in the shade Golden Beige. So I'm just applying all over my face and I'll be blending with a beauty blender guys, as usual. And this pretty much has a very matte finish. But we are going to work this foundation by applying lot of highlighters, blush and all that. So don't worry if your foundation looks matte right now. Next for concealer, I'll be using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, Instant Age Rewind Concealer. You just have to rotate this so that the product comes out from the sponge and you can directly apply it under the eyes and wherever you want. I'm just going to be applying it under the eyes, bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow, chin and the forehead. This instantly brightens the under eyes as well guys. It's a really nice concealer, and for someone with oily skin, this is such a beautiful concealer and it almost covers everything guys. To set the base, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade Light. Taking the powder, dusting the extra, and then I'll be setting the under eyes. I'm also going to be putting some on the lid as well so that it will be easy for me to work work with the eyeshadows. So I'm going to be applying nice layer on my eyelids, around the nose, Cupid's bow, on my chin, laugh line and forehead, center of the forehead. For eyebrows today, I'll be using Dip Brow Pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Combing my eyebrows with the spoolie. And with the brush, I'll take little product at a time. Please don't take everything at one go and put it, because you'll not be, it wouldn't look natural guys. It will look very artificial. So just take little product at a time, and I'm just going to be filling in the gaps that I have. Again, I'm not going to use a lot of product, and I'm not going to do very dramatic brows. Just very naturally looking brows I'm going to be doing today as well. And guys, always comb as you go. And guys, I'm not going to be taking a lot of product in the inner portion of the brows because that will look very, very, very artificial. So I'm not going to be doing that. Guys, for some reason my camera stopped recording at this point. So what I have done is I've taken NYX eyeshadow palette, and from that I've taken the lavender purple pinky shade and I put it in the crease as a transition shade, and I've really blended well guys with the circular motion and windshield wiper motion. So I'll put all the products in the description box below for you guys, so please check it out. I'm really sorry for the inconvenience. So I'm going to take the same transition shade in a blending brush and I'll put it in the under the eyes as well because the look marries together. Guys, this color looks gorgeous. I love how the color looks on my eyes. So for shimmer color, I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty Gemstone Obsession palette and I'll be taking this shade right here. This is again a very nice pink shade which has purple reflex shimmer particles. So I'm going to be taking that in a shader brush from Morphe, and again I'm going to be putting it on the eyelid, on my whole eyelid. Do you see that? They are very pigmented. You actually don't even need to wet your brush guys because it's very pigmented and you get a lot of pigmentation. And I'm going to be putting that all over my lid. Guys, it looks gorgeous, isn't it? We have not done any cut crease, but it looks like we have done cut crease, but no. So next what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to take a flat shader brush again. You can even go for a liner brush, and I'll take this blue color, blue shimmer color, and I'll put it like a liner guys. So there's a little pop of color there. So I'm going to be taking that color in the shader brush, in the tip of this brush, and I'll pack it on. I'll pack it like a liner. Guys, do you see a nice blue liner effect going on? So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to take the same blue again in the same brush and just will create little wing like so. Beautiful, right? I'm going to take the lid color in the same shader brush and I'll put it all over my lash line. And guys, I've done the same exact thing in the other eyes as well. So this is how my eyes look. So in my waterline, I'm going to be using a blue color kajal from Nykaa. So I just applied in my waterline guys. I'm not going to smudge it or anything. So just apply this in the waterline. Before applying mascara, I'm going to be curling my lashes. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. This again, I really like this product guys. It really makes your eyelashes long, but it doesn't give any volume, but it makes it look really long, that I absolutely love. So I'm putting mascara on the upper lashes and I'm also going to be doing it in the lower lashes as well. For blush, I'm using the Colorbar blush in the shade 10 Everything Rosy. So this is a very nice magenta rose color that absolutely beautifully goes well with my outfit. So I'm going to be putting that on my apples of my cheeks. This blush has a little bit of shimmer particle guys, so keep that in mind. Smile and then apply in the apples of the cheeks. I've clearly overdone that. So I'm also going to be putting it on my nose. For highlighter guys, I'm going to use the Flower Beauty Shimmer and Strobe Highlighting Palette. So this palette has got 3 beautiful shades. Yellow one, golden color shade, a rose shade and a champagne shade. So today I will be using the rose shade in the highlighting brush, blending brush, smaller blending brush, and I'll put it in the bridge of the nose, tip of the nose. Do you see that? That's pigmented. Cupid's bow, chin. God, it's damn pigmented, guys. And for lip liner, I'm using the Nykaa Lips Don't Lie lip liner in the shade Rocker Chick. And I'm going to overline my lips as always. For lipstick, guys, I'm going to be using the Wonder Puff Cushion Lipstick from Nykaa in the shade Hustle. So this is a very different, weird and peculiar product, guys. Like, you have to just press it in the back like a pen so that the product comes out with a sponge, and you can apply it. And this, guys, is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all like it. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up and also share it with your friends. And please do post your valuable comments because I love reading your comments. And I'll hopefully catch you all, guys, in my next look number 4, hopefully in my next video. Bye.